And welcome. Today we've got this DCN692 framing nailer. It's a Type 3. It's a fairly newish one, but it's not ramping up or anything. There's a full battery in case you're curious. She is doing nothing. One of these behaving in this manner, what you do is you screw out these Allen keys in the side of her. You got one of these on each side. And pull off the back. Now, sometimes when you start working and stuff, you're supposed to take the battery out of them, but in this case I'm not going to bother, and I'm going to show you why. Check if this ramps up with the springs out of her. What do you see? So it ramps up. So what that tells me is there's a problem here, and on visual inspection you see that the springs broke. At least one of these springs are broke, but you're always better to replace these in pairs anyhow. These are Dewalt genuine springs for the Type 3 DCN692 nailer. That's the part number N233943, and they're not very expensive. These springs is one of the easiest DIY fixes you'll ever do, and it's quite simple. You can't really go wrong. There's the new springs there, and to remove the old ones, there's just little bumpers, and then you see them. You just take them off like that and that. Okay, there's a washer as well. So we'll slide that off, that spring, and you can see it's come off in two pieces. Yeah, so that was well gone. You slide on the new one, like this. The washer. This thing, and slide that cap on again. Okay, and you do the same thing on the other side. That spring's intact, but we will replace them in pairs because that's the best thing to do. They help aid the performance of your nailer, and you do buy them in pairs too. So, but being the type of guy I am, I will retain that that old spring, maybe for a later date. That maybe will help me out for an old cheap fix for somebody. That's all intact now. The next stage is just put it back in again. Tighten up the screws. With our nailer fully assembled, as you see, I never took the battery out because, you know, that's the way I roll. I'll just try it here again. Here we are. So I'm calling that fixed. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos.